Extra salt, butter, and calories. You may not have ordered them, but they're usually the added ingredients that come with dining out.
Dining out often comes at the cost of having a lot more added fat, a lot more added salt, and just a lot more calories, since the portion size at restaurants may be more than what we would prepare for ourselves at home.
Lee Health clinical dietitian Noel Konken says cooking more meals at home can keep you in control of the ingredients.
Not only do we save money and also, have better nutritious meals, it's also an opportunity to have more time as a family cooking that meal together.
When deciding what to cook, she recommends using MyPlate to keep your meals healthy and full of nutrition.
The USDA has the MyPlate, which definitely shows what a plate should be looking like at our meals. We have half of our plate as vegetables or fruit, a quarter of our plate as a lean protein source, and then the other quarter as a whole grain option.
Cooking with a variety of seasonings and spices can help you to add flavor to your meal while limiting unhealthy ingredients like salt and sauces.
So investing in a cookbook is a great way to kind of start to experiment with a different culture's foods.
Cooking healthy, trying new recipes, and limiting the number of times you dine out can cut back on your spending and improve your overall health. For Lee Health, I'm Lindsay Morton.